Oksana is with you, and now I want to speak about mistakes which you can make training this challenge. First of all, your shoes or your bare feet, bad or bare feet. I mean, if you want to train this challenge with your slippers or your socks, you can hurt yourself. Why? While you are training your balance, if you're in sock, it can be slippery. If you're in slippers, it can be slippery. And training your challenge and sitting like that, you can hurt yourself. I mean, you can fall down. We don't need this. So, my advice to train barefoot without any shoes. It's the best way for training if you're at home with a mat. If you're outside, okay, your shoes should be completely fixed on your foot and not moving from side to side. You should trust to your shoes, yeah? Because this is important, your shoes. Second of all, your knees. We don't want to hurt your knees. I always care about knees. And you know why. So, your chair. Your knees you can hurt just doing your chair. Don't put your feet too close. Here you will feel your knees for sure. I know what I'm speaking about. Put your feet shoulder wide or more wide. So sit like that and concentrate. I mean, use your glute muscles, your leg muscles, or your muscles, and at this moment, when you use your muscles, your feet, your knees are not used. Yeah. So sit and find this point where your knees are okay, and everything will be good. So care about your feet, about your knees. These are two mistakes that you can do training this challenge. Everything else is safe. You can do it. So let's repeat this challenge in the end. Your balance, your work mind is first of all. Let me just change like that. Down like this.